right. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I just saw you in the red carpet of Superman.
Yeah. Yes. Hindi pa lumalabas yung full interview. Okay, lahat tayo naka-record na. Congratulations in your endorsement era, Andres.
Yes, thank you so much, MJ.
How has it been? Like, parang sometimes you're so mysterious and now sunod-sunod yung project. I mean, blessings.
True, blessings talaga. Yun nga, so there's a lot going on right now and all of this talaga are just blessings in my life, and I'm just so happy that all of this is coming into fruition. And parang I always tell my parents is I'm happy because I'm in the middle of what I prayed for, and talagang full circle moment to because Jollibee, diba? You know, coming from with the family as a family project, and then ngayon my own solo campaign. So this is such a big blessing to me, and talagang I dreamed about this for years talaga. So this
you
is
grew
something.
up with this. You grew up with this. Can you tell us? I know you have investments. Then your dad, diba? Secret pa yan? Ganun lang siya na, okay. Pero parang how deeply rooted are you? Kamusta yung relationship mo with the brand? And right now, nung sinabi nila sa'yo, this is a big campaign. Where were you? What was your reaction?
Unang-una pa lang, right? Coming from a family project, you know, with me and Tosh especially, like growing up. And then now, she has her own thing with Jollibee as well, and then now I have my own. So yes,
we were there too.
Yes, exactly. And then now I have my own solo campaign. So it's really like a full circle moment. And yun nga, even my dad, he was just super happy. He was proud for me, and yun nga.
Tawan-tawa kami kasi pag kunwari nag-guest ka, nagko-comment yung daddy mo. Diba sa chat, yung last na guesting mo, ano yung ano mo, parang what's the coaching ba yun? Stage dad ba yun? Anong moments yun with your dad? Like he tells you when you go and meet us, the press, or syempre you go out to see your fans.
Yun nga, when he commented that time, nagulat din ako because like, he just joined the live, but you know, he's just being a father. He's just being playful with me because I'm his son, and we have a good relationship like that. So, yeah, we just joke around with each other.
I love it. And si Tash, wait lang, bukas naman. Sorry, it's her big day. We're gonna be with her because she's gonna launch after your very successful project. Sa kanya naman, kamusta, nag-uusap ba kayo? What's your conversation like with Tash?
Yes, yun nga. So Tash is gonna have her press conference tomorrow for Bad Genius, and
nag-usap kayo tungkol doon?
Of course. Kasi I went through the same thing back when I started ang Mutya ng Section E, which is on Viva One, of course, can't forget. And ngayon si Tash is about to embark on her own journey, and ako, I'm super proud for her because Tash is really a talented person, and you know, I really believe in her, and I look up to her even as my sister.
Grabe. Ay, nakita mo naman gano'ng kadami ang press ngayon. Ganito ka-hot, Andres, di ba? So parang lahat kami excited kung ano nga bang napupusuan mong next project.
Yun nga, so I don't know if I can share if, you know, there's a lot of things going on, but we'll just have to wait and see. Abangan nyo na lang.
Wow. Pero ano yun? Like, are you more inclined to drama, action?
Right now, I can't really say what I'm more inclined to. Of course, I'm open to it all, but mainly, I'm just happy na, you know, all of this is happening today, diba? Jollibee, no? Like, full circle talaga, you know. I really prayed for moments like this years ago, and kaya this is really something that means a lot to me.
Buti nakaw kayo ng vacation.
Yeah.
Oh my God, how was it? How was Singapore? Like, how was the bonding like? How has it changed ever since your last year na quiet pa ang mundo mo, na ngayon ang ingay-ingay na ng mundo mo?
Wala naman, nothing has changed really. It's the same things talaga. Even day to day, it's the same things. Nothing has really changed. Alam mo, actually, it's kind of nakakatawa kasi nung nasa airport ako in Singapore, may fan nag-approach sa akin na taga-India, like bata, ganun. At sabi niya sa akin, oh my God, like, are you Kiefer? And I was like, I got so shocked kasi I wasn't in the Philippines, I was in Singapore, kaya nagulat talaga ako.
No, but alam mo na yung fan base mo global, di ba?
Yeah, yun nga. So it's super touching talaga.
Like, and it's so cool sa Singapore ka pa na nakita ng fan mo. And of course, syempre, we know there's gonna be a Viva Arcada, August. Nandun ka at si Tash.
Yes,
I love it.
Yes.
Oo. What can we expect?
Well, yun nga, you can expect, you know, the full Viva One cast and everyone, all the different shows that's gonna be there, especially ang Mutya ng Section E, and for Tosh, her new Bad Genius. So, yun, just abangan nyo na lang kasi there's a lot to come.
Gabi, binibitin mo ka, puro abangan. Puro abangan.
Wala,
Season 2, bawal ba? Parang naka-ending. Oo nga si ate, nandito naka-ano. Ano ba ate? Doon ka na lang. Charot. Hindi ba, Season 2, like, konting patikim. Are you in production? Book, ano ba yun? Table reading, nagaganyan. Oh my gosh.
Season 2?
Oo. Oo.
Focus tayo muna sa Viva event on
Oo,
August, diba?
wow. Grabe. Grabe naman. Oo. Ano, may question ka, JM?
Ano, ngayon kasi super busy kaya.
Oo.
Projects. Tanong niyo ang favorite niya dun sa tatlo.
Dali, mamaya yun. May tatanong ko mamaya. Yung tatlong flavor, mamaya. Oo.
Birthday mo ba?
Nung isa araw.
Ah, okay. Belated happy birthday.
Binati ako ni Asha.
Belated happy birthday. Ah, ito, belated happy
Oy,
birthday.
thank you. Ayan, naka-record na rin. Charot. O, yan. But anyway, syempre tatanungin na nga kita. Baka may gusto, may questions pa kayo.
Yes,
Oo.
Yes.
Handling the fame now.
Oo nga, totoo.
Successful series, fan meet, grabe na po.
Alam mo talagang, di ko naman, like, I don't really see it that way. Parang at the end of the day, I just want to do good work. You know, whatever is presented in front of me, I want to make the people that support me happy, and I also want to make my family happy as well. So at the end of the day, nothing really has changed, and you know, the fame, you know, I haven't really actually thought about it like that. Kaya yun.
Pero ang galing, kasi sobrang grabe yung fans. Wild sila. Wild, tumatawag sila sa mga news organization level.
Talaga? Ganun?
Oo, ganun
Lahat
sila
na-
ka-intense. Oo. Like, buti na-churn out mo yung noise. Like, do you meditate? Is it golf?
Well, ako naman, like, I always like to, you know, my private life or the things I do in my free time, I like to just, it allows me to, you know, de-stress, kind of golf, working out,
To
preparing
center.
din for projects.
Yes! Hint, hint! Hint,
Sige,
hint.
sige.
Baka Superman, local Superman ka. Clark Kent, no? Parang Clark Kent.
Kasi nakasalamin ako.
Oh!
Maybe.
Ayan. Ay, naku, yun talaga inaantay nito. Kaya to pumunta, ayaw niya mag-cover. Gusto niya yung ka-picture sa'yo, Andres.
Para malinaw.
Pero Andres,
Yes.
Ayan.
consider kayo as two of the biggest stars ni Atasha ng Viva.
Correct.
Dreaming nyo ba or in-expect nyo ba that I know na parang kids kayo ng Aga and Shardine of course, pero in-expect nyo rin ba na ganong level kayo kasikat?
Alam mo talagang, we never really talk about it din, and we don't really think about it na ganun. For me and Tash, talagang we just want to do good work talaga. We want to make people happy, the people that we work with, you know, we want to make them happy, and we just want to make our parents proud din. And just do good work talaga.
Saan saan kayo pala mag-watch party ng Bad Genius?
Oh, we have not decided yet.
Diba? I'm
Yeah.
sure you're gonna watch. Yung ang Butya ba, you watch together as a family?
Yung first, di ko no, yes.
Oo.
No, I watched it alone first time.
Oh, bakit
Afterwards.
nahiya ka
Kasi
pa?
nakita ko like before it aired, kaya
Oh! But this one, are you gonna do a watch party?
yes, of course. Kasi support Tash. Kasi
Oo.
we're all excited for her series. And
Grabe.
kahit ako din, I'm super
Ang ganda ng
proud
trailer,
for her.
grabe.
Yes.
Feedback, si Natasha,
Oo.
parents, right? Pag nanonood sila sa or commercial man.
Kahit sa commercial naman, like, of course, it's really a full circle moment. Diba? Si, our father and my mom also, they're into acting and then given Jollibee endorsements as well. And now si Tosh din, who's also into acting. She's a good actor as well. And kahit now ako din with yung Buti ng Sectiony, so it's all like it's like a learning experience for me and Tosh. But we're enjoying the whole process always.
That's nice. That's nice. Thank you.
Message
Thank
na lang to Tal.
Yun nga, so sa lahat sumuporta sa show ng Buti ng Sectiony, thank you so much. Really means a lot.
So, ay kayo tumitingin ako yan pa-picture ka na. Yeah, ito, sinugod namin yung ulan para sa'yo, Andres, di ba? Kaya nasabi niya, Mars, let's go na Mars! Photo muna kayo.
One, two, three.